Hi, welcome to the channel. A few videos ago I did a barbecue up here on the old barbecue site, but I was using a different pan on the gas burner, and I said I wouldn't come up here again unless I come up to try and get this barbecue out. So that's why I'm here. I'm going to try and remove the barbecue today.
Every time I think I'm going to wake up back in the jungle. Every time I think I'm going to wake up back in the jungle.
So I'm going to try and get this one out and take it home. This site is under demolition and it's been here, it must be over 20 years, about probably 1986, 85 this would have been put in, or 87, in the mid 80s. So I'm going to try and remove it today. So I've brought a shovel with me, some penetrating oil, and we're going to dig down and see what's down there, see if we can get it out. I'll show you what there should be like, because there's barbecue holes everywhere for where these were, but obviously I think they've removed those ones because they're not here now. I'll show you what they look like. This is one of the holes. They're hard to find now, but you can just make out the pipe that's in there for the barbecue to sit into, I assume, unless they cut them off, but I think they just slot in. So yeah, I just looked around, took me a few minutes to find that one, but there's another one just over there, I know because I fell down it once, and they're scattered. They're sort of scattered around all this bit of grassland. Let's start trying to dig it out, get you in position, and we'll get the shovel out. I bought some GT85, which is a penetrating oil. I'm going to spray that around the base. Right, we'll give that 20 minutes to give a good soak, or half an hour, and then we'll start having a play around with it again. So, back to you soon. I've loosened the top off, it spins around freely now. I can see the foot moving in the ground, but I'm trying to just separate the poles. I'll spray a little bit more oil on. Now I'm just walking around working it. I've bashed it with a shovel a few times. I didn't bring a hammer, forgot the hammer. I have a second plan anyway, and if that fails I've got a third plan. It's getting a hold of it on your own, and he really needs another person. I'm going to go to plan B, build a fire under it, heat up that pipe at the bottom, see if we can get it off of doing that. I brought a bag of barbecue coals, get it really hot, so let's see what that does. Let's get this fire burning, get the coals in there, just leave it, and then we'll get some more wood, pile it up and get it hot, and we'll see if we can free it that way. Going to get some coals around the back a bit more because that's where the wind's coming from, so the heat will blow towards the pole, obviously. Coals are getting nice and red. Just get them stacked up against that pipe. There, we get some heat in there and just see what we can do, but we can't turn it because the top spins, so I can't twist it, try and get it out. All I can do is rock it. I've given up with plan B, so plan B isn't working. I've been home, so a couple of hours later Peter's come with me now. He's just coming into the wood behind me, and I've got some tools because I'm on plan C. So I've brought some tools and I'll try and undo these bolts. There's a nut there and a bolt head on that side. Get the top off, and then if you look at this, this is bolted on as well. Try and get that off so we can break it down, take it like that, and I might be able to dig that out and carry the whole thing out, but that won't be today. Just get the top off now if we can. Got some tools. I've got a big adjustable mould grips, and I've got this magic wrench that I was bought by my girlfriend quite a few years ago. So you basically squeeze it, it just brings it in to any size nut. Let's see if we can get the It's loosening up now. Got the nut off. Let's see if we can get that bolt out. Right, Peter, see if we can lift this off. Get it on, no. Lift this up to the top of the griddle. Now just get your hand under this side. That's it. It's off the top. Huh?
Water in the bottom.
Can't really see down there, but it's full of water. If I can't get this post out, I'm going to have to measure from there to that hole so I can re-drill a new pole. So I don't think that's coming out. But the barbecue's off. Let's have a look underneath it. Oh, okay, so the bolt went through that eye. And that eye's what stopped it from pulling off the top, and the bolt just went through that, so I'll work that out. Result, Peter?
Yeah.
High five. Got to carry it now about half a mile to the car, and it's heavy. So we'll leave the pole. I might come back and dig it out, but
Don't bother.
I could always purchase a pole, so it's not important. But that's it. If I do bring it back, if I do come back and dig that out, I'll let you know. Other than that, we've got the barbecue. Thanks for watching. Plan C worked. There's always another plan. See you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye from me.
Bye.